कितने नाम से होते? हाँ? ना हमरा तो अगर तो ते
वो करते थे
वेलकम मारो
तेरा सा apa ये होना किया किया
गड़ा फुल स्ट्रीमर जो
मतलब नीचे भी मस्त है
टिट 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 टिट। All right, folks, welcome back, everybody. It's been a long, long time. Yeah, here we are. NKG weight loss. That's what I think. That's what I did. I was in coma, certain coma, I guess, for 15 to 20 days. I mean, wasn't that active on any social media platform. Not on my WhatsApp, not anywhere. I wasn't even looking at it too much. Maybe here and there. Correct. Market is open. Let's see. Forgot to announce stream on the Insta, but it's fine. We cool today. Alright. So I found out two things about strategies in the time I was off. That summertime is means Indian summertime is way better. Trading negative RR, somehow seasonal tendency can come into the play, or maybe anything can be the war, whatever the reason is. Negative RR has been working great, so I may switch to negative RR for a while, but we'll see how it works out. We'll see. For now, I'm mix on the stuff. So we'll see. Yeah, that was a little update. I hope everybody's trading going well. I heard lots of people are losing their accounts after accounts, and I did too. I did lose some accounts as well. But oh well, we move on, right? We swept the high, internal high, and I think we're just going to take out liquidities from bottom to come up later on. हेलो भाई, कहाँ हो आजकल? पे आउट आते तो मैं डालता ना. I was not trading that much in the period, like last 20 days. EVAs maybe here and there, but not funded accounts too much. Nah, not gonna go on the high time frame blocks on the New York session because they tend to fake me out. I think in negative error I took somewhere around 37 wins and 2 losses in last 3 days, last 3 trading days. It was good. If we follow our rules and if we get used to negative RR back again, I think we can have something going around. We are at the all-time highs on the high time frames, so it can be difficult to trade the way we used to trade. Always have to adapt to the stress to the market conditions, always. And most importantly, payouts आने चाहिए, otherwise there's no meaning of having solid strategy. Let's go, part W. Okay, it's working. I'm back on my setup after a week or so. Thank you. All right, let's find some trades. I'll have to go back and check my WhatsApp messages. I think a stack of them, lots of them. Must be 120 messages. Different people. I will get to that later. 5 minute block work. Nice. GG. You mean this block, right? 35. I'm interested in this block, like this 2 minute block, 1 minute block. It can react good, but again, it's just that we took out the lows and we can have inversion of this 2 minute. Right, if we invert this 1 minute, we can go for the highs. And I think it worked. It got tapped at 50. And that's a TP on that. No, wow. It did work. कल से जो मेरे नीचे है इधर ट्रेडिफाई का डिस्काउंट वाला, वहां पे मैं पीएन अपनी लाइव पेनल्स लगा दूंगा. All right, let's see how we close on 1 minute, 2 minute. Can we close strong? Yes, he's not having that reaction at all. I need one more screen. Keep. I do have it at home. घर पे है एक screen, but लाना भूल जाता हूँ मैं. आज कितने लोग आए स्ट्रीम पे? आई bet there are not even 100. All right, we can keep the giveaway today. So far boring market because again NK wants to go down, ES wants to hold that level. If you can see here, it is holding that block and going upside. So again, it's very confusing what market wants to do. कहाँ था भाई इतने दिनों से? मुझे भी नहीं पता भाई कहाँ था. Hello, hello. Yes, it's closing strong. I think we're gonna chop around for a while as usual. and then we'll get the clear move. That's what happened yesterday as well. Look at this chop from like, okay, open had a great expansion. Okay, fuck. Okay, my bad, my bad. Here, no? Yeah, this was a chop, and then we had a great expansion to the upside and then downside. That was great. I mean, I did it for a very long period of time. I think you can go back and check. I had only 2-3 viewers. People only care about the results. I mean, so if you have losing streak, you're gonna have, let's say, you're taking L's after L's after L's, you're gonna have more people watching you because that's what they like to see, right? And it's just building that loyal audience. I have probably what, 200-300 loyal people, maybe less than that. Good weird insight. You ask any streamer. That's a right way to look at it, and that's a best insight you will ever get. I was in a Himalayas. Damn. Why weren't you trading? I was trading. Who said I wasn't trading? But not that aggressively. समझ रहे हो? Tell is part of the game. Yeah, it is. But people see, if I'm losing, the I think honest way to say is like, if somebody has also the same thing going on, कि अगर कोई साथ में lose कर रहा है, it feels good. कि चलो मैं अकेला नहीं हूँ जो I mean लॉस कर रहा हूँ और blah 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 whatever, right? Another part of is the other, I mean, a side of is that people like to hate. Okay, 2 minute has closed. Let's see if it works out. Did not get the tab on the second time. Everything, bad marketing, good marketing, somewhere everything works, right? It does. I have 60% win rate with 1:1 training but in the market. How can I scale up from account with this? Depends on what are you looking at. I think the best way to scale up is like you take 2 to 3 payouts from one set of accounts. If you have one account, go for 2 to 3 payouts until you get 2 to 3 payouts from single account. Don't scale up. Yes, it's as simple as that. Once you achieve that, go in the next stage. Maybe scale up to the 2 accounts, 2 account लो, 3 account लो, समझ रहे? और उनके साथ सेम रिपीट करो. लेट्स से यू लूज, जो 3 अकाउंट लिए थे वो लूज, यू डोंट हैव टू गो बैक टू 1 अकाउंट बिकॉज तुम्हारे पास ऑलरेडी जो बफर पड़ा था उसे यू कैन स्टार्ट डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम 3 अकाउंट्स. समझ रहे हो? Yeah, but I am back now. Okay, we get that 2 minute inversion. Can be the good trade because ES is following. If anybody wants to try it like long and place a stop loss and The upside. Missed you two guys. Yes, he's already up here, guys. So again, be very careful. Hmm. Is it risky to take payout from funded index futures in the banking channels as it is in the red alert? You're not gonna get payment directly from funded index futures. Anyways, you are taking payout from Rise. I think they pay it through Rise, right? I took one payout with them and it was through Rise. So again, I don't think so. It should be a problem. यस आर ग्रोथ अगर गौतम अगर तुम्हें पता है कैसे करना है तो करो व्हाई नॉट बढ़िया वर्म है ग्रेसिंग लॉट्स ऑफ ग्रेट थिंग अबाउट इट अबाउट देम या इसलिए मैंने बोला ना बी केयरफुल बिकॉज ईएस ने आई निकाल दिया है that's a big problem with inversion setups nowadays. We are not getting the follow through on the even with the NQ and MNQ are moving differently and everything is like happening so fast you don't get to react. पीडीएस एंड पढ़िया कैपिटल में व्हाट शुड आई चूज अगर तुम इंस्टेंट फंडर ले रहे हो तो पढ़िया एंड इवोल्यूशन अकाउंट लेना चाहते हो तो पीडीएस बोथ आर ग्रेट फॉर्म आई हैव ट्रेडेड विद देम हेलो शॉर्ट्स बढ़िया बढ़िया आप बताओ ओके डिड नॉट गेट द क्लोज ऑफ दिस ब्लॉक वाओ आप कैसे बताओ शॉर्ट्स uh you can say that but not actually at a place but yeah this block looks good to me let's see हेलो मेडस, व्हाट्स अप? अरे ये जो लाइट आती है ना इधर, ये तो तुम लाइट्स अच्छे से देख पा रहे हो। वो बहुत आंखों में इश्यू करती है, तो इसके लिए बढ़िया चीज़ है। जस्ट गॉन। We have swept the lows. Two minute did close, but again low sweep किया है उसने। दोस्त, कभी आप लाइव में शिफ्ट हुए हो? 5-6 पे आउट के बाद बहुत बार लाइव शिफ्ट हुआ हूँ मैं, एक बार नहीं। आई थिंक प्रोबेबली 4 से 5 बार लाइव शिफ्ट हुआ हूँ मैं। कम ऑन, गिव मी 25। Almost there was a break even. No, it's not closing. Yeah, it can close 5-minute bullish block though. 30-second or so. But it's in the FPG, so I'm gonna try this negative RL long. Let's see if it works out or not. Just trying it out, guys. Okay, don't trust me. It doesn't work. Negative RR is not a strategy. Mm. Thank you, yeah, Gracie. I can get chopped though. वो हटा देता हूँ बेटा. You will feel like. Which is the best live or funded? You don't get to choose. Once you make enough money on the funded accounts, you will get moved to the live. So yeah, that's that. But yeah, on the live you can take daily payouts. On the sim you have more. I think in terms of capital you will have more leverage. So both has their own advantage and disadvantage, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, we don't get to choose, you know. What was the stop on the 1 minute? Give me a second. What was the stop of? What was the bearish block? Which block was it? I was talking about short somewhere. रुक जा मैं भी सीख ही रहा हूँ फील्ड्स एंड ऑर्डर में आ गया 35 right 35 this one okay in Lucid Live, how much daily minimum payout you can request? I think it should be around 200, but I don't think so. There is minimum because it's live capital. But if I have to guess, it will be somewhere around 100, 200. Can Indian traders? No, you cannot do it directly. It's against the law. But there are ways to do it. But I don't think so. You should look at the live account, anyways. Oh, am I gonna go break even on this? If it takes me out, I'm okay with it because 9 points already in almost 8. Probably gonna take me out break even, but if it doesn't, should have just pushed on the first goal, but it's alright. Nice, that's one to go. Bro, which strategy you use in MNK ICT concepts? Negative RR, positive RR, everything. This was too quick for me to even take it. Instant TP. Oh wow. Ish. I know lots of you don't know what I'm doing on the stream right now. But don't worry, you will get to see it. Alright, on to the next now. But we take the high out. I think lots of people got faked here. While we swept the first low, we got up, inverted this, people got stopped out, and then it ran the highs. And this is the only reason I'm not trading. Because of course, I could have taken this trade second time when it went up. But confidence लो होने की वजह से वहीं के रिस्क इतना नहीं ले पाता ना जितना पहले ट्रेड में लिया था. But I would like to see a 3-minute tap. If it can happen. But high निकल चुका है तो it didn't inverse in NQ but it did in MNQ. Yeah, that's the issue, no? What is Lucid offer? 50% off plus one time fee eval? Yes. Right now it's 40% as off. मैं अभी बदलना भूल गया, आधी अभी स्ट्रीम ऑन की है ना. But I think if you are first time user you can get 50% off probably. But I think better deal वही Tradify का जो 5 बल्क में बाय करते हो तो 5% एक्स्ट्रा ऑफ मिलता है कुछ. Those are cheaper than Lucid right now. मैंने 1:1 लिया. Thank you. Let's go WVR. Alright, we'll try this. If it closes अच्छा this 3-minute. Even though high निकल चुका है, it is too deep. I like it with the structure and everything. If it taps me real soon, otherwise not. Today I received my first payout from Gold Funded Features. Let's go Lucid by WVR. Alright, that's a good plan. But don't do it like 2-3 accounts at a time. Just go for one account for now. See how you work with the new firm, how new firm works with you. Of course, there will be no issue with Lucid ever. But yeah, Lucid का cooldown हट गया नहीं, 26 को हटेगा. We will be back on Lucid trading on 26, hopefully. And we will be back, hopefully, back on the payout streak. Who has 2-minute trade holder? Gold funded, because Lucid doesn't have it. After a long time, yes, welcome back. ES और NQ ने हाई नहीं निकाला है. जो मेन हाई था ES ने निकाल दिया है. Any issues? No issues. I was just having what do you call it? It's vacation at home. We would like to call that. If it doesn't close good, then I'm out. After this, if we start to go down, I would like to take trades on the downside. If we can get that. $74, $76 get tapped. I'm going to break even, and that's a TP. 2 TPs. Beautiful. I love this. Why trade C is slow to execute? Because they are new, relatively new. So give them little bit time. It's just like tops FX. But yeah, there is 1 minute. If we can continue, go higher with strong close and everything, with price in the range, this can be good. I'm trading in that. Don't worry, it's like they will figure it out something really soon. Don't know, Gracie. In negative RR, what you want to do is like combine more accounts. So of course we are taking small TPs here and there, but it comes out bigger if you combine those accounts. This one is good as well. Block these and both blocks are good. Very risky though. That's good. That's good. So बच गए तो बच गए भाई. अब दोनों ने हाई निकाल दिया है. ओके, आई थिंक चार्ट को ऐसे रखेंगे तो ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा. Alright, this bottom one gets that I'm interested. No, it doesn't. And अब उसने मूव दे भी दिया है. So now I'm not interested anymore. So we have just got tapped and maybe it's a Windows. What should be the bias? Bias अभी देखो all time highs पे कभी पूछना नहीं होता. It's your bias always should be to the long side, and of course it can reverse at any moment. But lots of people try to short at the long time highs, and I have seen it. Like they get crushed by the market too many times, shorting the tops. If market is going up, why go against it, right? Alright, I'm breaking even on like somewhere around $400 in 2 trades, right? I'm not trading anymore. I have 15 accounts. So we took long of somewhere around, कहाँ long लिया था हमने? 3 minute. And we took long on 5 minutes. 2 trades, not taking any more, just chilling. भाई थोड़ा बता दो लूसिड में कूल डाउन क्यों लगा है? कूल डाउन क्यों मेरा क्यों लगा है? क्योंकि आई वॉज मूव टू द लाइव एंड देन आई ब्लू लाइव अकाउंट. So to be back on the sync funded accounts, I need to wait. I mean, usually 2 वीक ही होता है, बट उन्होंने ये शुरू ही 26 अप्रैल से कर रहा है. So I'll have to wait till 26 April. Even this 1 minute block was good. Sure, will do for sure. Yes, I'll try to. हम पहले जैसे रेगुलर हो जाएंगे, बट अभी मैं प्रॉमिस इस वीक नहीं कर सकता, बट फॉर श्योर नेक्स्ट वीक से. वह एपेक्स सही है अभी. हाँ, एपेक्स तो सही था. Do you think Dodge is legit or not? He's making money. That's what I think. For me, that's what matters. नहीं, अर्पण, complete opposite of that. Don't worry about cooldown if you haven't traded with Lucid. अगर तुम 60, 70, 80 हजार डॉलर पे आउट नहीं निकाल लेते, तब तक तुमको उसका टेंशन नहीं है. और एक अकाउंट से 5 पे आउट्स, विच इज वेरी हार्ड टू डू. Yes, after a long time, guys. After a long time, I know. But I have to go somewhere today, and I have to take a quick session of my members. So I'm gonna close the stream today. 2 wins and potential wins, lots of them which I missed, but I'm okay with taking 2 wins on a day. Okay, made somewhere around 400. Number is too good. How do I do that? Yes, no, okay. No. Alright, this is one of my 5 accounts. Other 5 accounts, you can trust me that much. Alright, let's take a base hits and we can scale up later on. The plan is to stay on the negative side for a while until things get better, and maybe after September, October. I think negative are worked pretty smooth in the summer last year as well for us. And yeah, lots of students took out so many payouts. I think I counted till $1.2 million in total payouts from probably 300 students. So again, that was a great strategy, and we're gonna talk about it a lot on stream. So if you're new, might wanna stay here for a long. Of course, तुम्हें पता नहीं चल रहा होगा कि अभी क्या कर रहा हूँ, but it is time where we cook something big. Okay. There are lots of streamer in the market right now, but you know you are at the best place, right? All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in without saying anything. 60, 70 people, 70 of you. Love you, all of you. Right. Thank you for being here. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.